Hi, today I'll be giving you an in-depth review of the AutoShorts AI, a platform that claims to be the #1 faceless video generator for TikTok and YouTube. If you are a creator looking to save time and automate content creation, this might just be what you've been waiting for. Let's explore its features, pricing, pros and cons, and determine whether it's the best AI shorts maker out there. Let's dive right in. First, let's get into what AutoShorts AI is all about. AutoShorts AI is an all-in-one solution for creators looking to generate faceless short videos effortlessly. It automates everything from writing scripts and generating visuals to adding professional voiceovers and subtitles. The platform is designed for both new creators and seasoned professionals, aiming to maximize efficiency while maintaining quality. What makes it stand out is its focus on faceless content, which has become increasingly popular for niches like explainer videos, educational shorts, and trend-based content. If you're hesitant to show your face but you want to grow a presence online, this platform is tailored for you. Additionally, AutoShorts AI integrates seamlessly with platforms like TikTok and YouTube, ensuring your content is not only created but also uploaded without manual intervention. Essentially, it serves as your 24/7 content team, handling all the tedious work so you can focus on strategy and creativity. Let's explore the specifics. Now let us talk about the main features of the AutoShorts AI and how they make this platform a potential game changer for video creators. AI-powered script writing. The platform's script generator is powered by advanced AI that analyzes trending topics or keywords to craft engaging scripts. Whether you want a snappy, humorous tone for TikTok or an educational style for YouTube, the tool adapts seamlessly. What's more, you can provide custom inputs or prompts to ensure the content aligns with your vision and audience expectations. For example, if you're in the finance niche, you can guide the AI to generate fact-based scripts that resonate with your viewers. Visual generation. AutoShorts AI doesn't just give you a blank canvas, it offers tailored visuals that match your content theme. The AI selects or generates high-quality, royalty-free visuals, ensuring you don't need to hunt for clips or images. These visuals are designed to enhance storytelling, helping content creators communicate ideas effectively without the need for on-screen appearances. Professional voiceovers. One of the highlights is its library of professional AI-generated voiceovers. These voices are designed to sound natural with multiple options for tone, gender, and style. Whether you want an upbeat, energetic delivery or a calm, authoritative narration, there's a voice for you. This feature is particularly helpful for creators who don't want to use their own voice but still need engaging narration. Auto-generated subtitles. Subtitles are crucial for accessibility and engagement, especially on platforms like TikTok and YouTube, where many viewers watch without sound. AutoShorts AI automatically generates and sync captions with the video, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. You can even customize the subtitle style, choosing colors, fonts, and placement to align with your branding. Direct posting integration. AutoShorts AI integrates directly with major platforms like TikTok and YouTube, making it possible to create and upload videos without ever leaving the dashboard. This is a huge time saver for creators managing multiple platforms. It also ensures your videos are optimized for these platforms, reducing the risk of errors or formatting issues during uploads. Custom prompts and personalization. For creators who want more control, the custom prompt feature allows you to direct the AI's focus. For instance, you can specify the tone, target demographic, or even suggest specific facts to include in the video. This makes the platform versatile enough for niche creators who might require hyper-specific content. Analytics-driven suggestions. Although not always highlighted, AutoShorts AI can incorporate trending data to suggest themes or topics for your next batch of videos. By leveraging this feature, creators can stay ahead of trends, ensuring their content remains relevant and timely. Scalability for teams and agencies. If you're part of a team or agency managing multiple clients, AutoShorts AI supports bulk video creation. This feature is designed to streamline operations, enabling you to scale content production without hiring additional hands. Each of these features is carefully crafted to address the biggest pain points in video creation, which are time, accessibility, and quality. Whether you're a solo creator, part of a brand team, or an agency, the combination of these tools can significantly boost productivity while maintaining professional standards. Now let us talk about the pricing of the AutoShorts AI platform. They offer a range of subscription plans designed to cater for different needs. There's a free version, which is currently temporarily paused. There's a starter version, currently at $19 per month, a daily plan, currently at $39 per month, and a hardcore plan at $69 per month. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the AutoShorts AI. First, the pros. Automation drastically reduces the time spent on video creation. User-friendly, easy to navigate even for beginners. Customizability. Features like custom prompts make it adaptable to various niches. Accessibility. Subtitles and professional voiceovers enhance engagement. Seamless integration. The ability to post directly to TikTok and YouTube is a huge plus. How about the cons? Limited personalization. While efficient, the AI-generated content might lack a personal touch. Learning curve. Some features like custom prompts may take time to master. Cost. Depending on your needs, the subscription may feel pricey compared to manual methods or other tools. So, is AutoShorts AI the best AI shorts maker? It's certainly one of the most comprehensive platforms for faceless content creation, and with its automation capabilities, professional outputs, and seamless integration, it's a fantastic tool for creators who value efficiency and quality. However, if you prioritize highly personalized content or you are on a tight budget, it might not fully meet your needs. For now, the free trial, which was previously offered, is now on a temporary pause. It would have been a recommended way to try it out first. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Pictory, Lumen 5, or Synthesia. That's it for today's review. Happy creating! Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.